Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So I'm really excited to share with you July's dollar bead bag and dollar bead box. And I haven't really seen what's inside other than a peek, and can I tell you, you're gonna love it. These colors are so beautiful and summery. So we're gonna start with the bag, so I'll put the box aside. So the bead bag is $8 a month, and you get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And Dollar Bead Bag subscribers can reorder July items through August 2023 for $1 a strand. And you see the little peek of the color there? All right, I'm going to take them out of the bag and we'll go through them one by one. So I thought I'd do something a little different this time and just show you all the 3mm strands and 4mm strands together, because look how gorgeous they look together. So I'll bring them up close so you can see each one, and I'll go through each one, but I just kind of love the idea of, see that look? My gosh, that would be just a gorgeous bracelet on its own. So the first one is green turquoise gold wash. So this is a deep, turquoise, and has a little gold wash on it. I'll pull out a tiny bit. And then the next one is light teal. And then we've got this light blue Maria. So look at those gorgeous colors together. And then we've got, love this pop of matte Victorian bronze or vintage gold iris. That is gorgeous. See, these are the colors I would use, and I put this ring on just to show you. I'll show you the ring in a second. I'll link it down below, but isn't that beautiful? Look how pretty those are. Those are stunning. Okay, so here's the ring that I pulled out. I have a video for this, and I'll definitely link it down below. All right, let's get a look at the forms. These are stunning as well. I mean, they're knocking it out of the park with their fire polish beads and the coordination. You'll see how beautifully this is going to coordinate with the box. So we've got opaque light blue. We've got turquoise. Then we've got topaz crystal copper. Nope, sorry, we have teal or matte teal. So I've got the sort of crystal teal. Love, love, love. And then we have topaz crystal copper or light rose gold luster. And these are just beautiful. It's just the best price and just the most beautiful, beautiful fire polish beads. So here, let's get a look at all of them together. This is what they look like. Remember, $8 a month. I have a coupon code, which I'll put up on the screen and in the description box below the video. Okay, we're going to open the box now, and you're going to see how beautifully it coordinates with the bag. And I love that they're doing this. It's made a world of difference, I think, as far as this. It just makes it just perfect. All right, so I'm going to put a link in the description box below the video for all the ways that you can order the box. It can be as low as $18.50 a month. It goes up depending on your subscription, not much, but I think it's best for you to just click the link, and don't forget to use my code if you if you decide to purchase. Go through the strands. I just want you to get a look at this gorgeous color combo. Look at these beads. These are stunning. And here with the fire polish, you have got just like tons and tons of projects. Just add some seed beads. You don't even have to, but if you want to do a little weaving or put an accent, add some seed beads, and you've got everything here. I probably to make, dozens of pieces, really. All right, let's go through the strands first. First up, we have check glass pinch beads. These are 5mm, light blue with beige opal, 25 pieces. Oops, sorry. Let me take the ring off. You've gotten sort of the idea of that, so you can see the whole thing here. So pretty. A druck bead. This is a 4mm in light blue. You get 50 pieces. Did I say 25 pieces on the pinch bead? And by the way, the bead bag, all the strands are 50 beads to a strand. But these are really pretty druck beads. It looks like water, doesn't it? Just makes you want to go to the beach and just jump in. So we've got some check glass pearls, 3mm, and either coral luster or turquoise luster. Obviously I have the turquoise here, 25 pieces. Nope, sorry, 42 pieces. These are so pretty. I just love the color. It's gorgeous and very nice quality. We have a check glass bicone, turquoise, 25 pieces. This is a 4mm bicone. So this is like the remember, we've gotten some really big ones, but this is a smaller one. I love that. That'd be interesting to use instead of maybe like a preciosa or a crystal, to see if it would fit in the same places and how that would look, because I love like the matte and the fact that it's not faceted, just for a change. Really pretty. Next up we have 6mm check glass 2-hole square beige opal or matte beige opal, 25 pieces, and that's a tile bead, which is just lovely. Looks like it just, this whole thing just reminds me of shells and coral and, you know, just beach, such a beachy theme. It's gorgeous. These are pretty. So this is a 11 by 12mm check glass cushion, blue with silver wash, 8 pieces, and I love that. Isn't that pretty? I love the wash on it. And, you know, I always tell you, just popping it on an ear wire, and you've got a pair of instant earrings or, you know, gorgeous pieces for a bracelet. We'll definitely be using this, making pieces out of this. These are just gorgeous. Okay, next up we have 5mm check glass hexagon aqua opal, 30 pieces, and it's definitely hexagon. And it's very, very pretty. Again, I can't say how much I adore this color combo with the cream and the shell and the bronze and the antique look, and then this gorgeous, gorgeous teals and aquas. Love it. Next up, we do have a shell bead. So it's a check glass Murex shell, white with beige luster, 8 pieces, 12 by 15mm. And that is so pretty. Again, I would just, you know, going to the beach for you know, a little vacation, just put it on a, you know, make a pair of earrings by putting it on an ear wire, and make a bracelet by, you know, adding one of these beautiful turquoise beads or some of your fire polish beads in between. So really, really pretty. Okay, so let me just pull out a little bit and show you. There we go. Here are all your strands. So let's get a look at the additional items. Okay, so on the additional items, I'm going to go through the first two now. 16mm check glass cabochon, turquoise with gold, 2 pieces, and then a 14mm check glass cabochon, turquoise with gold, 2 pieces. Now, wouldn't that just be one gorgeous pair of summer earrings going out to dinner? Okay, this we're gonna have to do this now. It's a cabochon, so we're gonna normally, you know, you might want to just, you want to do bead embroidery, but I think we can bezel these and it could be just as beautiful. So I think this is going to be the piece that I'm going to make using these. I just need a little time because I'm still working on my pinch nerve. Okay, so gorgeous, love it. I can't wait to make it. We have these 5 by 13mm check glass square spikes, opaque turquoise, 8 pieces, and they're gorgeous. I haven't used spikes yet, but you know, I'm starting to use a lot of different shaped beads and such, so you know, we're going to incorporate these because they're just too gorgeous not to. So pretty. Look at this gorgeous puddle of crystal. These are rondelles, and they're 8 by 10mm crystal rondelles, emerald AB. You get 8 of them. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm sorry, you know I love these colors, so I get very excited when I see these colors. I just adore them. So beautiful. And look at the quality on them. And look at that shine, that glow. These are stunning. Next up we have some 17mm check glass table cut dragonflies, opaque beige with turquoise wash, 2 pieces. And I love these little dragonflies. We have so many of them in different colors. So pretty for the summer. Put it on an ear wire. Try to bezel it. Although I like that little edge on that, so maybe have that edge show and don't bezel these. Just make these into a really pretty pair of earrings or necklace. I can't wait to use them. I just want to get back to my beading, so I'm really excited to see this box. It's beautiful. Okay, next up we have a 14 by 52 brass stamping. This is the Heart series, and it's very pretty stamping. It's thin. You get 1 piece, and I have seen, you know, pieces added to stampings to give them rigidity. So I mean, I would love to use this, incorporate this somehow to get, you know, get us using these because they're just so pretty, and I think there's a lot of options there. So love it. It's gorgeous. 16 by 20mm stabilized turquoise, so it's turquoise stabilized. You know, they treat it with something. You get 2 pieces. What did I say, 16 by 20? Look at these. These are gorgeous. It's a real stone. Isn't that lovely? That's beautiful. So this, again, you could just put an ear wire through, or you can bezel it. Really pretty. One of my favorite brands, Tierra Cast, and this is a, let's see, Tierra Cast Star Jasmine Charm, 12 by 14mm, antique gold plate, 1 piece. You know, I love Tierra Cast. It's always so beautiful on both sides. So very pretty on this side and very pretty on that side. Gorgeous beads just keep on coming. I love turquoise and like an antique gold or gold. It's so pretty. 18mm check glass ammonite bead. It's turquoise with gold or white with gold, 2 pieces. Gorgeous either way. Just stunning. Love these. These I think we could maybe try to bezel. I don't know. I'm really, as you know, I've really been into bezeling the focal beads. So very, very pretty. This is so pretty. 12 by 17 check glass diaphan. White travertine with blue wash, 2 pieces. Stunning. Gorgeous. I'm making a pair of earrings, put a little drop there. Oh my gosh, how pretty. I mean, this box is amazing. It's gorgeous. I love it. Last but not least, 12 by 25mm check glass tabular oval. Turquoise, 2 pieces. And look at, it's got a beautiful etching on it. These are stunning. I think we could bezel this to see, you know, how the beads go around, but that's going to be on my list to bezel as well. So let's pop those down. Hello. Let me pull out a tiny bit. Can you believe this? Can you believe this box? I can't believe it. And the bag? Look how gorgeous this is. Stunning. All right, look, don't forget to check the description box below the video for all the links to the Bead Box website. Check it out. I mean, can you do any better than this? This is gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning, and what a gorgeous summer theme we've got going here in an ocean water theme. Absolutely love it. Don't forget my coupon code, which will be on the screen and in the description box below the video. I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.